Hey guys, Legal Lockpicker here. If this is your first time checking out this channel, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you want to see more of my upcoming videos, I try to get at least 3 out a week, and lock sport and lock and padlock and pick related content. So definitely check that out if you're interested. Right now we have a public storage 2-inch steel laminated padlock, and on the back side it just gives you the warning: contains small amounts of lead, factory sealed, hardened steel, shackle, laminated steel construction, bumper, etc. I actually purchased this as an accident. I was looking for another padlock for another location, but it wasn't public storage. However, this is what I ended up with, and I thought this was really interesting because it said it was made in Germany, and that's pretty wild because a lot of locks that you get here in the States are made in China and stuff like that, especially when you have storage facilities. That's the kind of stuff that they peddle. It also has a very interesting keyway here that is not your normal Schleg or quickset keyway, so that's another interesting thing as well. So we're gonna open it up and we're gonna pick it right out of the box, or I should say we're going to try to pick it out of the box here. So let's give this bad boy a go, shall we? Look at that. Oh wow, sneaky sneaky. So, check what's on the back of the key here. Abus. So this is actually an Abus lock. And I guess the public storage just buys their property, puts their name on it, and does that. That's pretty cool. So, let's see. If you see the keyway here, it's definitely it's going to be a tight fit. So, that is why I have these tools laid out here, because I don't have a top of the keyway tension tool that's going to get in there. So first I'm going to try to use a bottom of the keyway tool, but I'm going to try to stick it in the top part. Yeah, this is going to be a tight squeeze. Well, first thing we'll do here is we'll try to rake it open. That'll be the first thing we do. It's not exactly the best way to go here, but you know, we're going to give it a shot anyway. Let's try to start with the Petersons here and see if that works. All right. It's very loose in there. That's very odd. Alright, come on. Then obviously, if this doesn't work, move on to the next thing here. Okay. Alright. Alright, so we're not getting any love this way. Alright, we're not getting any love. So, okay, we gave that one a go. My next one would be using this right here. It's from the Sparrows tuxedo set. We'll keep the bottom of the keyway here, just to see what we can land on. All right. I have to tell you, it's not. It's got an interesting feel. It doesn't feel like a laminated padlock, which is odd. It feels like there's security pins in here, though I can't be sure. You see how the cord bumps around in there? Probably not, but doesn't give you much room to work in. If you can see that, it's really difficult. So we're going to try to use the bottom of the Keyway tool here. We're going to stick it in here and try to keep pressure on it. And then we're going to try it this way. Okay. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere here. So if this doesn't work, then I'm going to try yeah, it's definitely giving me a little bit of trouble here. I think I'm shaking the camera too. Oh man, that's a shame. Alright, I think we're getting there. Yeah, I think we're getting there. Either that or the tension tool's falling out. Alright, no big deal. We'll get it. We'll get it. Okay, that one's good. Yeah, I am shaking the camera. Alright. Jeez, we're at 10 minutes. That's all right. There's one pin in here that I just am having difficulty with. Okay, you know what we're going to do? We're going to use this pick and see if we can't get a better feel on where we're at here. Alright. Got it. Oh, oh, wow, that one put up a fight. Alright, so I guess in a later video what we're going to do is we're going to take that out and see what gave me such a difficult time in this. And for those of you who sat through this video, leave a comment in the comment section below. Just say saw the whole thing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something. What am I going to do? Oh, I have a great idea. I have, let's see. I have a brand new, somewhere. Okay, it's here somewhere. Anyway, you're going to get a brand new master lock. It's one of the Pro Series ones. It's not like the laminated ones. It's actually pretty nice. And it has a... I'm not sure if it's the American one or the other one that has a removable cord. But anyway, you're going to get a brand new lock just for sitting through all this. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. And unless you sat through the whole thing, you won't know about the giveaway. So for you guys out there who do, good luck. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for staying with it.